Am I back? There we go. Something happened with Restream that just crashed out everything. That's weird. That was weird. But it took down everything. Ah, we're back. All right. Can you see me on YouTube? Have a good one. Here we go. Back in here. See this running? No. Okay. Let's let this finish running. See if it'll run the second time. Yeah. Doing the installs. Good. Good. I'm feeling optimistic here. Let's see. Hey, Justin. We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. We're updating and setting up the website here so that we can run tests, we can set up and build and deploy that. No. So we can build and deploy and run end-to-end tests as a command on our .NET Aspire dashboard, and there it is, have it run during our build process. And it ran properly. So that feels good. I'm going to merge in, even though I don't know if this Docker container is going to build properly. But it sure looks like it will, and it's going to merge into my 06. Let me make sure I tag this with the appropriate issue. This one right here, 37. Yep, there we go. Update that comment. So now when we merge this pull request into the main branch, it'll generate a Docker container for this. That's really good. Right? We're gonna like that. So 37 over here, I'm gonna mark this as closed. Which leaves us with 2 left. Default theme, frequent requests to the database, and loading user information. So the next part is building a theme. Updating the theme that it's effectively the default theme that comes with Blazor, with ASP.NET Core. So it's something a little bit nicer, something that's a little bit unique to us, that has some sensible defaults, looks nice. Yeah. The default theme is a biggie, but it should, you're right, Codebase Alpha. It should set the website apart, right? Make it unique and something that we can enjoy, right? So Oh, look, thanks for catching up there. It did drop my category. All right. So I can get into the default theme. I can get into that. The YouTube feed went to a different video. So I could push these both off. And say, you know what, let's drop this tag right now. What? One second here, my phone is complaining that it hasn't been backed up. You should be backed up. I tell you to back up. Why don't you do your backup? Yeah, back up this iPhone. And it hasn't been backed up in almost 2 weeks. We'll do it. Yeah, that's fine. There it goes. Yeah, all of a sudden it was like, so OBS crashed hard on me. I don't know why, but it did. Have the default very organized and easy to modify to test stuff out. Yes, totally agree. That is a big task, and I'm looking at what I've set for the next milestone. Right now, I'm just talking about the installation processes. What's it take to get started, right? And right now, the way that the container is constructed, you're not actually going to be able to use it without passing in a ton of environment variables. That's okay. And I don't have documentation around that. So, right. Yeah, blank issue, sure. Create installation, get started, documentation. This should appear as a section on the website, on the public website. Live Writer, yeah, it is around. I think it's called Open Live Writer. Let's leave that as is for right now. But I'm looking at these 3 issues at this point to basically build the installation process. And building with an extraction to disk. This could be as easy as just writing a curl script to download a release, the source code, and put it somewhere. Right, just put it down in a folder somewhere. But in order to do this, we're also going to need to build and include all the .NET all the .NET runtime that it depends on, right? Do a self-contained app publish. Put that zip file out there somewhere, which GitHub will host for us. Then we can point to it and just say, right, curl SharpSite.latest.zip, unzip it, and there it is on disk. We could do that. Add a publish as self-contained app step to our GH action when pushing to the main branch and attaching, not self-container, self-contained, and attaching that archive to the GitHub release. I don't know how to do that. I'm writing it in here. That's something that can either be looked up by somebody or Copilot can help with that. But we clearly know that step. What'd you fail on? Let me guess. Ooh, none of those worked. That worked. This one did not. Yeah, rerun it. Okay. There we are. I'm okay with pushing these both to vNext and dropping a release. Because we've done a ton as part of this. Look at this. We did 11 other issues here. The playwright test getting set up, the release process, setting up a container, the language chooser we improved, state indicator on the plugin configuration, saving state indicators on plugin configuration, plugin config user interface we updated. Yeah. And we got all the unit testing built in here. We updated to the 901 .NET packages. And we changed our build structure so it matches what's in eShop. I'm okay with taking these last two and pushing them into the next milestone so we can try releasing this. What do you think, chat room? Would you be okay if I push these forward and say, you know what? The next release is where we're going to do a good bit of this polish. Yeah, let's take these and I'll attach it to milestone 07. So that effectively says we're complete at this point. Let's go over here and take a look at that. The set of tests here, we actually caught it right as it's running the test, and everything ran successfully. There we go. Good. And all green. Fantastic. Let's remove the fixed Docker branch. Pull the latest from upstream. There we go. I'm going to put the tag on. Right? No, just git tag. Okay. Let me push that tag. No conflicts. I think we're ready to go. I got most of the flakiness worked out. Every now and again, one test will fail, and what it came down to was making sure that the database is completely running when the website starts. It feels like there's an additional bit in there where the tests aren't either awaiting properly or they're not they're not, or they're running in parallel, and this test is logged out while this test is expecting to be logged in. So there might be some funny business there. This was a big group here that we worked on, going all the way back to 2 months ago. We started on this at the end of December. I don't like that this took that long. But there's lots here that we've got in the mix with a bunch of folks that have helped out. Okay. So that's going to build. And it should also publish the container. So here we go. Exactly something that would be solved by Aspire. Yes. Come on. Built successfully. Unit tests ran successfully. 16 of them now. Uploading badge to Azure Blob Storage. Good. Done. Post-job cleanup. Good. And it should get into now publishing the container. While that's running, there's my unit test. That should be updated with, it should say 16 there, but it doesn't. Publish container failed. Of course it did. Of course it did. Now comes the commits of shame. That's right. It's not messy anymore. Jean Valjean.
Gene80 just resubscribed for 63 months. Hello, Gene Vahai.
Hello. Thank you so much. 63 months of support. How you doing there, friend? That's Coder 24601 to you. I don't like this. I really don't like that error message there. And what's this over here? Test results. Yeah, and the playwright test failed too. It didn't create a badge. Run it again. Okay, let's see what happens. But I need to go back over and take a look at that publish step and see what's going on there. All right. I am going to step away for just a second to get some water. I will leave this up so that you can see it running and keep an eye on it. All right. I will be right back. Did AI replace me? No. Not at all. And I see we still have an error here. But it's an error while uploading the badge. Okay. So we get to... We're going to spend some time with the commits of shame here. Our milestone release should be okay. Yeah, that's fine. I don't like the message. I don't like the message that's attached to it. Right? Can I edit this? No. But I'm gonna go fight the fight. Yeah, and do the release commits of shame here. It was beautiful to see the screen working on its own and no human in sight. Cheeky Breaky, you are speaking in words that I approve of. And yeah, we're gonna get into some of that here. Not today, but it's coming. All right, so the playwright publish is not where are we here? The playwright publish is not publishing the badge properly. And the badge and what's appearing here is not yeah. All right. Let's see what we can do here to fix this. Let's start off with jump over to main. Okay. Yeah, those folders there. Mm-hmm. SharpSite, data. Yes, get rid of all those. Where was I? Well, it looks like my 1 o'clock canceled. Yep, get rid of that. Get rid of that. This is all just local stuff that's left over from moving things around. Now, I think that's empty. But I think it's in... Yeah. All right, let's go back to the website here. Yeah, let's move this over. Fine. No. Drat. It's under, so this should be empty now, yes. Delete that. Take this, delete that. Cool. There we go. Moved Blender resources to IMG folder. Okay. You're gonna lurk, but your audio is on in case anyone, wants you or anything. Paging Thindall to the C# Fritz stream. Paging Thindall. No, not really. I'm just kidding and wanted to see what would happen if I use the intercom here. So. All right. You're reacting. All right. Let's see. I got this really nice Yeti cup from our friends Stacy Clouds. You see her here on Twitch, and Jessica Engstrom. The help that I gave them with the Azure Static Web App Day back at Halloween time, back in October. Yeah, the cab one. Yep. There you go. I do like that cup. All right, so I need to take a look at the Playwright script and how it's deploying the badge. Let's take a look at that. There it is, creating the badge. And it writes badge SVG. And it should push file badge SVG to Playwright badge SVG. Oh, let's go look at the log on this. So create badge. It wrote badge SVG. Okay, so it's there. I need to add -- overwrite. You dog! And it even knows it. I don't need overwrite true. What's the command that I'm running there? Easy storage blob upload. Show me upload. Overwrite. It does need a true value out there. All right, fine. And I bet you it's the exact same thing with this. There's the publish container. I already had overwrite true on that, John. All right, so that was the error with that. This one, it did upload. It says it ran 16. I think this is pointing to the wrong image. No, it's pointing to the right image. Unit test dot dash badge 16. Yeah. Right, and that's the same as this. Hey now. Oh my goodness.
Tyndall just gifted 13 subs.
13 gift subs into the channel. Oh my goodness. Goodness, thank you so much, Thindall. 13 gift subs into the channel. Thank you so much for the gift for that. And congratulations to a bunch of folks who got gift subs. War Fabric, Goddess Lucia, Kagu Taba Worms, I hope I have that right. Nick Bering, Techie, Tony Sama, Enerth, Des Fowler, Linux Guru Gamer, Bill Aon, Garu Dalid, Eat Bites 2, and Malfunct. Congratulations, you just got gift subs. Thank you so much, Thindall. Gosh, we haven't had gift subs like that in a long time. Thank you. Thank you for that support. That's great stuff. Yes, and I did need true on that. You need to add system text JSON to MS build test project that has to be used in the execute, and it has to be transitively added. Cheeky Breaky asks, how important is upscaling? While talking with my director, I caught hints that I'm not being made manager in September this year. I'm already overqualified for my current role. I'm considering A, looking for a promotion outside, B, slack off hard in your current role and use the time to upskill yourself even more. Upskilling is always important. When you upskill and learn additional skills, additional when you improve there, that's going to make you a better developer, a better employee. It gives you it also makes you more hireable by other folks. Slacking off is a bad idea. I might be more open to saying that you're not slacking off as much as as you're going to use your time more productively to improve yourself. And that's always a good thing. There, I did a Control F5 and it reloaded that badge. This badge, it didn't upload properly yet, so I need to get that in the mix. And I've also got this issue with publishing the container. So let's start off committing this bit. Overwriting the existing playwright test badge. All right. And the other issue is down here in this build script where it was saying it didn't know how to do stuff. Oh no! Oh my goodness. All right, hang on. How you doing there, Alley Face? Hang on. Oh. Yes. Be overqualified, do things faster, show that you're creating and doing things better for the organization. Absolutely. That's going to go a long way for you. Meanwhile, Absolutely. You can always ask tech-related questions. The Razor Quinn, the AMA badge is on. I'll answer pretty much any question. There are some personal topics that I won't touch on. Um, there are folks who have asked me, "How much do you get paid?" Like, I'm not going to talk about that. I'm sorry. That's additionally, I don't talk about my family live on stream. So, no freaking Eagles hat. We got a hat change request. Here's the problem. I'm on a green screen. It's in the other room. But it's green and my head will disappear. My head will disappear because it's green. A friend of yours literally works 16 hours per week and his employer loves him. He's got a semi-hard limit of how much he can do, but what he does extremely well. Yeah, there you go. Skill issue. Yes, you've seen me as Clippy. Headless can't be worse than that. No. It's worse. Right? Yeah, the green hat's got to be in the other box. Because I don't keep it here because it's green. Like, yeah. You were just wondering because you wanted to host a server, but I need to port forward, but don't get access to my router. Do I know of any other methods? You want to port forward. Help me out there. I need a little more context of what you're doing. Is this an ASP.NET application that you're running? Because ASP.NET, you can pass in an argument that will tell it what port to listen on. You saw copper is a 100% painted green face. Yeah, that was a thing. They really don't want you to do quality work. Find another employer. Find another employer. That sounds like a bad thing you got going on there. I would not be happy about that. So. You lose a lot of bets. You did a gaming stream in a hot tub on a bet? I did that stream from a kiddie pool on the back deck. That was awful. I did not like doing that. The audio was all messed up. It wasn't being received properly from my wireless headset. Yeah. It's going to be a while before I do something like that again. But I do want to do more streams at the stand-up set and do more work over there. That's something that I need to spend time reorganizing in here. And when Charlie comes online, it's going to be a lot of fun to do that over there. So I've got too many projects that need me to code a whole lot of crap. And it's way too distracting. And then it makes me feel guilty when I play games like Overwatch. Give me a minute here. I'm going to go find one of those, one of my Eagles hats here. I'll show you. Too many projects? Yes. Oh, yes. A regular developer. That's right. Give me 2 minutes here. I will be right back. All right, not even 2 minutes. I've got this. All right. Just because our favorite troll, Ellie Face, is here, and she loves to pick on these types of things. I'll show you. I have 2 Green Eagles hats here that almost completely... That one's not too bad. Hey, wait a sec. That one's not too bad. That one actually works out pretty good. Right? Head back over here. Look at that. All right. All right. I can't believe I've got Ellie actually saying "Go Birds." Like, she's not a sports person. She's not. She went to a Phillies game literally to troll and what else? There was something else that she did at a Phillies. Literally just went to the Phillies game just to be a menace there. You were in the riot. Let's try the other one. Because the other one is... No, that one's going to work. Holy crow, I got my colors right. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody run the hat command there. Somebody run the hat... Oh, gosh, everybody's going to run it now. Let's see how it does. Lots of hats. There you go. This is a problem. Let me know if you've detected a threading issue with this stream. Being in Philly after the Super Bowl was terrifying. Oh, I'm sure. It is rate limited. It will only run it once every 5 minutes. However, the threading of after it detects the first message, it should lock out the others until it's done. Yeah, Project Charlie, feature request and command cooldowns. Yes. Yes. There you go. See, there's the rate limit. Oh, I just ran this, so I'm not going to tell you. But spamming all at once, it should pick up the first one, and if additional requests come in, lock those out. Hey, I'm already working on the request from Thindall. So, there you go. Yeah. So, there you go. But, for those that didn't see... Here, I can go back over here. Mutexing a little bit. You can do that with a mutex. Enter the mutex. You can do that with a reader-writer lock slim. Let me Philadelphia after Super Bowl 59. No. Yeah, there we go. So this is the local news station. And it was... I can't go full screen here because it'll go... Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Like, it was...
In order to, what?
There's people climbing lampposts. Yeah. They even pulled down a traffic light standard and they smashed in the traffic. It is... Oh, some of these videos are from Brian's stream? Really? He granted permission to those folks? Yeah. Absolutely crazy. And look at all the phones, people watching this this lunatic climbing over here. Yeah. So just absolutely crazy in town. But I get it. Folks get excited. I get it. I'm going to set up the pull request to merge this into main. No. Fixing GH action scripts. Create that. Set it up there. You think they just snagged stills? Okay. Look at all this. Can I show that? I think it's on your no fireworks involved. Yeah, don't do that. Elmo leads a drum line. Elmo is leading a drum. Look, there's Elmo. That's a terrible Elmo. Yeah. And Frasier's looking out his window at what's going on in Philly. Look at that. He's bored.
This is the real legend right here, this guy. Woo!
Just streets full of people having a good time. And you know what? For the most part, that's phenomenal. He shows up at all the insane stuff. Oh, yeah. So... if you want to check that out, there's the link to that. Definitely a bucket list thing. I'm looking at going down to the parade tomorrow and trying to work that out. Okay, so that's still running the test. Let's see if that does all of its things properly here. It did. And it did not try to upload yet, but we're getting there. C# Fritz IRL stream? I don't think so. I'm not that kind of person. Yeah. Okay, so that ran properly. Now I need to go back and look at building the container. Why'd the container not run? And this was a weird error that it's getting. I don't think I need it to set up .NET. Oh, I need to mark. Yes, we did wear a different hat properly, and you want me to go to light mode. Could I change my browser theme? My browser theme. Why would I do that? If I go to the parade, you might take a train out. Oh. The OS theme? No, I'm not doing that. I don't think I actually needed to do .NET install when it builds the container. Because it's all Docker build. I don't need that part. This right here. Because all the Docker build stuff is inside the container. Yeah. Removed .NET setup from Container publish. All right. We made a couple changes. It's time to release the builds of shame here. The commits of shame. I don't like all of this. I want to get rid of all this junk up here. Merge branch main, blah, blah, blah. I mean, they're all going to go away, but... oh, and you want hamsters. Hot dog stand. Look at this! It's the only thing that can heal us. Ugh. You want hamsters. Well, stand by. Yeah, all of my audio settings. Yep, that's the wrong one. No. This one. That one. Test. There we go. Okay. You want hamsters? I will give you hamsters. Did it? It didn't. It just didn't start it.
Right? There you go. We're back. Hot dog stand and lighten up. I'll give you hamsters to start. Boom, done. There's actually 2 requests for hamsters. All right. No. We're not losing that. I've got other sound effects there. But no. That looks like it's ready to go. Looks like it. I think it. Do it! Yeah. Come on. Make it happen. Actions. Building. It didn't run the other one. I'll force the other one. Let's go. Playwright test. Do this one first. Make sure this works. Right? Go build all the things. So, 2 hamster redeems. Fine. I can do that. 10 minutes of hamsters? Oh, Nick, you'll be so proud. Ooh. Building, we're building all the app. And, come on. This is great. I really like how this runs and delivers all the things, runs all the tests. Come on, go! Let's go. Come on. You would give me 2.5 hours? Nah, there's a limit. Can't do it. Stand by. Where is it? I'm in Firefox. Where's Theme? Settings. Themes. Yeah, themes. Manage my themes. I want more. Recommended themes. Find more. Hot dogs. Hot dog stand! Just because Nick asked for it. Here we go. Yes, add it. Hot dog stand. Alright? Is that good? Where's Nick? Nick! Joystick Nick! That's right. Ugly enough that you like it. Neat. Hang on. Hang on. We're healing? No. Is there... That doesn't look right. Okay. Is that better, Nick? Can we do more of that? I'm seeing the reflection in my glasses, too. Okay, hang on. This build, when it fails, right? Create badge. No, it doesn't have the if always on it. Yes. Oh, dear Lord. Can I put it there? No! Oh, no. Yeah, paste that. Bring that over here. Get rid of... okay. Go down here. Name create badge uses... put it there. No. Wrong. Move that over. Move you over. Needs more spaces. Doesn't like it. Need to be on the same one. Yeah, there we go. Okay. If always... yeah, save that. Alright, back over to this one. Okay. Publish test restore. Yeah, save the if always. And then we need the badge. Badge! Boom. Okay. Keep going. Create badge. Yes. Boom. And you need to move over. Okay. But, oh, more hamsters. Hang on. Restart the timer. Is that better? Ah, yes. 5 more minutes of hamsters and then we're done. Corn dogs and a lemonade? Anti-M. Anti-M. This is a crime? Yes. How am I gonna commit this and move this along? I mean, right? Go back over here. Stash that. Jump over to main. Bring that in. Right? Yeah. Push that up. Fix. Again. Stash. Pop. Cleaning up script. I don't know what to call it this time. Do this. Okay. Back over here. GitHub. New pull request. No, that's not it. Cleaning up. CI script. Go ahead, tell me what it did. I don't care. Run hamsters for the rest of the screen? No. No. Go ahead, co-pilot. Thank you. Sure. Do it. Yeah. Yeah. Go. And delete frame. Oh yeah. There it goes. This one doesn't need to run, but this one does. Let's see how we do. Delish. Ads are on. Woohoo! Alright, what do we got? Come on, come on. And then once I know this works, I'll rerun the unit test and container publish. Going to Docker. Come on, get there. Get there! Okay. Run the test. Really, the publish container should depend on this completing also. Right? Like, we do want... Yeah. All successful. There we go. Setting the badge color, creating the badge, uploading the badge! No! Yes! There we go. Over here. That's still not right. Should be 6. Wonder if I'm running into some sort of caching from over there. Oh my gosh, we're done hamsters! Yay! Woohoo!
All right, that's enough with the hamsters. Back over here. All right. Prayers answered. Oh, wait a sec. Hang on. No, you know what we need to do then? No, you know what? We need to auto-tune the code. That's not the right one. That's the wrong one. And it didn't set it right. It's this one. Which I don't think is going to start properly. Yeah, it didn't. Auto-tuning the code. Yes. Little T-Pain style. That's what I'm talking about. Right? Let me see. So this looks right there, but I wonder if it's just a caching thing in my browser. No. See if we get it in the fresh browser. No, didn't load it. That's annoying. Right. Network. Disabled cache. Do it again. Still didn't get it. Is that image right? Playwright badge, playwright badge. Yeah, that's right. Yep. Yep. I'm not gonna lose sleep on that. Where the browser, wait a sec. Bring up that John over here. Playwright badge, where is it? Give me the images. Thank you. I don't know what that is, but it looks nice. Go away. That looks cool too, but that's not what I'm looking for. Why isn't it? Here's badge, the .NET build. No. It didn't even attempt to load it. Yeah. Why is it not finding it? That's weird. That's weird. Huh. Whatever. It uploaded the badge. The badge is up there. I'm good. Let's try to build the container. Branch main. Run it now. Now! Here we go. It should be here somewhere. There it is. This one runs pretty fast. What's going on with the voice? T-Pain mode. And we're auto-tuning the stream. It's a thing. Yeah. We'll go back to normal. Back over here. And there's a couple things that I've noticed that I want to improve on the stream. That ran properly. There we go. It's defo pain. Oh. All right. That finished and ran properly. Now here it's going to run the container build. Because the tests all ran properly. Pulling the there, now it's pulling the Docker image properly. And it's moving over and restoring projects. Good. We saw this all work properly. So far, so good. Zero warning, zero errors. Publishing. Good. Good. We're a heck of a lot further than we were. There's the website. And it should push the Docker image to the repository. There we go. Pushing the Docker image. But it's a local repository to GitHub, so that shouldn't take long. There we go. We got it. We got it. Oh, man. Chat room. We have a related package now. And there it is. Latest with the SHA attached because the release didn't match up. Terrific. Terrific. We got it. All right. So when we build and push a release to our main branch, it will build and publish a container. I'm not sure I like the SHA there on it, though. Because when it comes to looking at the version numbers, that's going to appear ahead of something else that might start with something smaller than 5. Improve the container tag calculation. Containers published with a SHA as a tag won't be ordered properly when sorting by tag version number. Something like that. So I'll just throw that into the next one, milestone 07. I'm going to jump back up here and look at the milestones, and I will mark 06 as completed. And now we can take a look and work on installation and setup for this content management system, as well as a theme, a default theme for our next set of streams that we're going to work on together here. I'm really happy that we got the container publishing properly there. That was a big deal. The out-of-box startup experience is going to be a good one to build. That could be interesting here. Because we're going to want to run a setup wizard. And the setup wizard, you're going to want to be able to choose where files are stored, what database you're using. And those things are plugins, and right now, those plugins don't reside anywhere. This is a problem. This will be a problem. These are going to be good ones to build. Time to make the GitHub org. Oh, I think you might be onto something, DGen1. There's the website. I'm frustrated that end-to-end tag isn't updating here on the screen. Like, actually it says unit test. It doesn't say end-to-end tests. The playwright test badge should have a caption of E2E tests. That's a bug. That's annoying. I don't understand why it won't load it. And it doesn't even attempt to load it. Right? If I were to open this in Edge, I like Microsoft Edge. That didn't even load the right badge. Right? If I grab that over here, push that, go over there, and that's... Copy that over here. Yeah. It's like it's caching it. Somewhere upstream from me, it's getting cached. It's 9 and 6 for you. Yeah. Yeah, look at... Okay, so you are getting the second badge properly, but the first badge, you're not. Yeah, there's a... If I change that and put a GUID on the image, right? Right, that's the image, right? Just put some number on it. Now it comes back. I'm going to do the same thing here. Like, heck, I could just do the version that it was released with for right now. Force badges to reload. Mm-hmm. Yep, go ahead, do that. Now it looks right for me. Go ahead, refresh. Friends, take a look and let me know if that looks properly to you. Even though that's the wrong label. Fix that. Fix that now. Right, I don't even need... Stand by. All right. Where'd it go? Create badge. Yeah, the label right here. This should be, let's make it E2E. And to... Let's do that. Updated label on E2E badge. There you go. Now, is that going to build? It is going to build. Cancel that one, let the other one run, and push it through. So, we should see that go through and update properly and feel good about it. I've still got this stupid red and yellow theme. Thanks, Nick. Themes. Yeah, use that one. Thank you. Was feeling all contentious with that yellow and red. Change this one back too. What? Yeah, Control Alt P. Oh. Theme. Much better. All right, that's still going there. I'm gonna clean up a little bit here. Check out main. Right, and git push. There we go, running the tests. Look at that, here we go. And I need to end right after this. Ran successfully. There it is. Generating the badge. End-to-end tests. Publishing the badge. Over to code. Yeah. There it is. All right. We've done a lot today. Let's wrap this up. We've done a ton today, and I feel really good about this, right? We took a look at how we can use .NET Aspire to run custom commands inside the .NET Aspire dashboard, and we even wired up a custom command to allow us to run our playwright test, our end-to-end test that actually exercise the website from the dashboard. Really cool. The usability of it doesn't feel great yet. We tinkered with our end-to-end test running. We also worked with our container build scripts here. so that we can build a container for SharpSite, so we have our first level of delivering something that folks can install and use. And we did a little bit of tweaking around that to make sure that badges and things appear properly on the homepage, that they're publishing and updating with the correct labels, and things look good. We closed out this release, this 0.6 milestone. I'm not even going to call it a release. This milestone, and we're moving forward with our next milestone next time, where we're going to actually start working on that out-of-the-box getting started experience. How do you configure and install and get started with SharpSite? That'll be next time. We're gonna start down that path, and we're gonna explore what it should look like when you first start using this software package. All right. Let me take a look at who else is streaming on the big Twitch TV network. Who can I get you connected to if you're watching us on Twitch? Go over and join somebody else who's creating chaos, some havoc out here. You know what? Somebody who's is that right? No, they're doing words on stream right now. But it says they're gonna play Palia. So I'm gonna pass on that. We haven't raided this fella in a while. Let's go raid Jason Linksdorf, who's working with SQLite. Thank you so much for tuning in, friends. I'm not sure if I'll be back tomorrow, but I'll definitely be here. Yeah, my meeting has started. I'll definitely be back on Monday. We'll do some more coding and have some more fun with SharpSite. Otherwise, you can find me in the Discord. I'll be responding and working on things over there. All right? Have a fantastic rest of your day, wherever you might be. I wish you good health and good coding. Take care.